Hey everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a bloom technique. I'm finally going to use my cradle board that I've had for a long time now. I'm going to use it today, see how it goes. Okay, I am doing a bloom. Okay, I'm going to be using some Mis-tint paint that I bought. I'll show you the tin after I do my painting, because I can't, it's a big tin, I can't pick it up right now. So once I'm done everything, I'll show you what it is. So I'm going to just add my paint. All right. Okay, the first color I'm using, actually I'm only going to use two colors today, and the cell activator. Alright, first color will be Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. Yes, Amsterdam. Going to be pouring this on. All right. And then I'm going to be using this little piggy sequence. Now I'm going to be using a black cell activator. It's actually Amsterdam lamp black, and I added a bit of Atelier indigo paint because I had two left over. I've had this cell activator, an Australian Floetrol. I've had this cell activator for quite a while. I better not talk too much because this is starting to move. Okay, I will explain after. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I hope you can see that. All right, I'm going to spin right away. I might have added too much of the end of this paint here, but like I didn't get enough of that color. It's still kind of cool. I really like it. Most of the sides are done. Just gonna see if it moves in the middle. Yeah, it's moving a bit. Oh, more of the blue is coming out in the middle the more I spin. I'm undecided about it. Oh, I have a little blob. And a blob right here, I think.
Are you filming?
Yeah. What do you think?
It's nice.
If it was more like that, it would be better, right?
Sure. I think it looks all right.
Okay, this is the paint that I'm using for my pillow. PPG Satin Interior Speedhide, it's called. And I got it as a Mis-tint. And it seems to be working really well. I have no air bubbles with it. Just a couple that I popped. And I just mixed this before I used it. There was settlement on top. It was separated. And I mixed it. for quite a while, and as you can see, I don't have any air bubbles, any problem with that. I just had a couple that I popped, and that was it. My cell activator was lamp black mixed with Atelier indigo, and I've had it hanging around for a while. It was old. It was about maybe 2 weeks old at least. So what I did was I added some more Australian Floetrol with it, and I added some Liquitex matte gel, just a little bit, and it worked pretty good. I would have liked to have seen more of the blue show up, but I think it worked pretty good.